Have you ever wondered if you could actually build a business from scratch using just AI? Well, today we're going to break down a framework that says, yes, you absolutely can. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. It's a practical guide for what's possible right now. So let's get right into it.
You know, the whole idea we're exploring today kicks off with this really bold claim. The argument is that AI isn't just another piece of tech. Nope, it's a massive economic shift, maybe as big as the dawn of the internet itself.
Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll look at this idea of the AI opportunity wave and why it's such a big deal. Then, we'll dive into 3 totally different business models you could start. And finally, we'll wrap up with the actual tools you'd need to get going.
So first up, the AI opportunity wave. The real question here is, what makes this different? I mean, we've seen tech booms before, right? What's so special about this one?
Wow, this really puts it all into perspective. Think about it. The internet brought us speed. Social media made us more connected. But the argument here is that the AI wave is fundamentally different because it is so much more accessible. You don't need to be a coding genius to ride this wave.
And wow, the numbers really back this up. We're talking about a global AI market that's projected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2030. That's a massive pie. And for the first time, regular people can actually get a slice.
And listen, this isn't some far-off future we're talking about. It's happening right now. 77% of businesses are already using or at least exploring AI. The shift is well underway.
And here, this is the engine that's driving the whole thing. A projected 40% boost in global productivity? That's huge. It's not just about making new things. It's about changing the fundamental way work gets done in, like, every single industry.
Okay, so we've covered the why. Now let's get into the how. The very first business model we're looking at is creating digital products with AI. And it's all built around that incredible idea, create once, sell forever.
So what exactly is a digital asset? Honestly, just think of it like a little money-making machine that you only have to build one time. It could be an ebook, a guide, a pack of templates. You do the work up front, and it can literally make you money while you sleep for years to come. And check this out. Here's the AI-powered assembly line for it. Step 1, AI helps you find a winning idea. Step 2, AI helps you build the actual product. Step 3, AI helps you market it. And finally, you launch. It's like having an AI co-founder at every single step of the process.
Now, if creating a product from scratch isn't really your vibe, this second model might be perfect for you. AI-powered niche stores. And the big hook here? You can sell actual physical products online without ever touching, seeing, or packing a single box. Here's the deal. An AI tool builds the store for you, finds the hottest products to stock it with, and then when someone buys something, a supplier handles all the shipping directly. You're basically the curator, and the AI and the suppliers do all the heavy lifting. It's pretty wild. And the process itself is just as automated. First, an AI tool builds your website. Next, another tool stocks it with products that are already selling well. Then, you sell to this massive global audience. And finally, the fulfillment just happens, totally hands-off. It's basically e-commerce on autopilot.
All right, on to our third and final model, and this one might be the fastest way to get your foot in the door: AI-powered freelance services. The idea is super simple. As you learn to use all these new AI tools, those skills become incredibly valuable, and businesses will happily pay you for them.
Just think about it. As you get more comfortable with AI, you're basically training yourself to be a super-powered freelancer. You can use AI to help you write social media content, design logos, build simple websites, all these high-demand services, but in a fraction of the time it used to take.
Okay, so you've seen 3 really powerful models. You've got digital products, niche stores, and freelancing. But that probably leaves you with one pretty big question. Where on earth do I even begin?
And that brings us right to our final section, your AI toolkit. But here's the twist. It's not just about software. The source we're looking at argues that the most important tool you have is actually your mindset.
Honestly, this might be the single most important slide of the day. The argument is that the biggest thing holding most people back isn't a lack of good ideas, it's perfectionism. It's overthinking. The key isn't to have the perfect plan. The key is just to take action and get started.
And to help you take that action, here are the specific tools this framework recommends. You've got stuff for finding trends, tools for building the stores, and of course the big ones you've heard of like ChatGPT and Canva for all your content and design needs. Think of this as your starter pack.
So to wrap this all up, this framework we've walked through
doesn't see the AI revolution as some distant storm on the horizon. It sees it as a wave that is already hitting the beach. And that leaves us with one final, really provocative question. Are you going to stand on the shore and watch it? Or are you going to grab a board and try to ride it?